Hey guys, we got this testimonial the other day that was really funny. Listen to this. So it said, what I love about your bars the most is that after eating them, I don't feel like I'm gonna barf or shit myself. I mean, it's so true though. How many of you haven't had an energy or protein bar before a workout and can only finish half the workout before you have to go to the bathroom? If you've been in this situation, you know what I'm talking about. So next time, try our bars and see if you would feel different.